Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have another tutorial showing you how to make another BT21 character, and this is the little cute dog in a hoodie named CHIMMY, also known as the passionate puppy. So we're going to start off with the head, and we want to take some white clay and kind of form it into a rounded triangle shape, kind of like a rice ball. And then you want to add a little black triangle for the nose, and 2 dots for eyes. A lined smile for the mouth, but it's going to be on a slant. And at the end of the mouth, you want to add a little pink tongue, and then you want to bake for 10 minutes in the oven according to instructions. So now we're going to make the hood, so we're going to take some yellow clay and we're going to flatten it out. Next, you want to wrap the face with the yellow clay, and you shouldn't worry about any of the clay blending colors or disforming because the face of CHIMMY was already pre-baked for 10 minutes. So it should be easier to make a nice shaped hood. For the body, we're going to take the yellow clay and roll into a fat cylinder and cut the end off and blend that onto the head. For the feet, we're going to roll the yellow clay into another tube and we're going to cut out 2 equal cylinders and add the feet to the bottom of our puppy. For the arms, we're going to take some cylinders of yellow clay and add tufts of white clay on top, and it's because there's little paws exposed in the hoodie. So then we're going to roll out the ends, making sure it blends nicely, and cut it at a slant. And place the arms on the sides of the body. So for the little drawstrings, we're going to add 2 little lines of orange clay coming out from one point. And at the ends, we're going to add little dots of orange clay and flatten those out. And finally, for the ears, we're going to take some black clay and pinch it into a large teardrop shape and flatten it out. And place that on both sides of the head. Once complete, all we need to do is bake according to instructions, and here we have our finished little CHIMMY. And I wasn't sure if CHIMMY had a tail or not because I couldn't find any images of his backside, but I kept him tailless for this figure. But if anyone knows if he has a tail, put that in the comment box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other BT21 series tutorials. Thank you!